It is raining. Goodbye. Wow. Can't believe we made it. Now we have a 2-hour drive to our house. We're getting ready to leave to go camping. We came to the grocery store and our minds are blown. You just put your groceries in and it adds it all right here. So cool. We got a new boat, people. We're at Otter Creek. We have some people from our church clear on the other side of the lake, so we rented a boat to find it. They have boats as well that they rented, so we rented this bad boy, and our dinghy goes probably twice as fast as this. Pretty awesome though, huh? Yeah. All that pottery, that's so cool. Well, we're just about done with this hike. It's like a little over 10 miles. It was awesome. Utah is just amazing. It's so cool. In southern Utah, you have all this, and northern Utah is a bit greener, but yeah, it's simply amazing. So we love spending time here. Glad we can be here for a few weeks. So I've been listening to a book, and I've been hiking by myself for the last hour listening to this book. It's called Sea People, and it's all about the discovery of the South Pacific. I'll leave a link here for you, but it's crazy. I'm listening right now. It's so dry here, I can't breathe. I'm listening right now about when Captain Cook first arrived to Point Venice on Tahiti, and it's remarkable. These early navigators, and you know, some people think we're crazy for doing what we're doing. With modern technology, it's so easy. It's not easy. It's a little wild, but anyway, it's crazy how these guys navigated long ago. I wasn't paying attention, and we got, I just was driving, loving life, and we drove up the wrong place, and so we're at Water Canyon by Hilldale. I don't know if it's in Hilldale. Anyway, so cool, and Luna seems to be loving it.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. They're all for me. All right. Well, I got a big reveal for you. I've thought about this my whole life. I thought about flying. I had an office up in Bountiful, Utah, right by Sky Park, and would go flying from time to time. It's so fun. I just love watching planes. Right now our house is, the planes take off from the Hurricane Airport and fly right over our house, and then we're right by 2 airports, and so I'm watching these planes all day long every day when we're home. But I've decided I'm going to pursue my private pilot's license. Super pumped. It's almost 6 in the morning, and I'm heading over to St. George Airport to start my first lesson. So on the boat, I've actually been doing Sporties online. It's an online program. I've been doing that, but I'm gonna kind of put that on hold and do through Cirrus. I don't know what I'll end up doing, but through Cirrus, there's a whole program that they have. So should be fun. I hope I can get some good footage. Flying's so cool. It's so much like sailing in so many ways, and with opening the world to, I'm gonna say, new horizons. So I'm super excited for the opportunity. It's hard. We love southern Utah. Our family's all up in northern Utah. It's not easy to get up there, and so it'll be awesome to be able to quickly have that possibility to just jump in the plane and cruise up there quick for whether it's dinner or whatever, and stay connected to family. Hope you enjoy the day. It's crazy. It's pretty hazy right now. There's a fire over on the back in Pine Valley. It's so sad. I know there's been some structures that have burned down, and we have a friend that has a place over there that we're praying that their place stays safe. Here's the baby. So we just did all the pre-flight stuff and we're ready to go. Holy smokes, we are on our way back to the boat. We had so much fun in Utah and we didn't record any of it. Anyway, did so much, went to northern Utah, spent most of our time down in southern Utah. We have a red-eye flight. We're in LA right now and we get to Tahiti at like 5 in the morning. Hopefully our sail arrives. I doubt it will. Incident sales has been a nightmare to deal with. I'm not surprised. We have our dagger board that was supposed to be fixed by one company and then they bailed on me and gave it to another company, and they kept saying they're gonna start on it, and then they started on it. They said they were today because they know I'm coming tomorrow. So boat work, it's so annoying. You just have to stay on it or else nothing will get done. So tomorrow morning, right when we get there, we have to move the boat because they're fixing the dock right where we're at. We're not very excited about that. We're back. So awesome. We have been frantically trying to find our spinnaker. Apparently it's in Tahiti. The incidents won't give me tracking. Don't know where it's at. Well, thanks for hanging out with us. This last video I know was a bunch of stuff put together over the last month, but we finally are getting our dagger board. We'll probably be able to pick it up first thing in the morning. Today we're going to church, visiting a couple of different people, and yeah, just kind of hanging out. Won't have too much to do. We're still waiting on our sail. Haven't tracked it down. Apparently it's in Tahiti, so hopefully we'll be able to track it down. Monday's a holiday, obviously. There's always big holidays in France. Hopefully we can pick it up and find it on Tuesday and get out of here Tuesday afternoon. Start heading west. Thanks for hanging out with us.